Thank you for joining the Build Overview for eSchool Data version 11.9. Today we're going to go over some of the newly enhanced items included in this release. The first new item that we'll go over is the Progress Report Builder. So for that, we're going to go to System, Administration, and Group Maintenance, and select Edit for any groups that will need this permission turned on. Underneath the System menu level permissions, we're going to locate the Grade Reporting subsection, and beneath that you'll find Progress Report Templates. This permission will need to be turned on in order to be able to set up any custom Progress Report templates. Now with that permission turned on, if we go to System Grade Reporting, we'll see this new Progress Report Templates menu item. From there, you can create a new template, and then access the builder and build out your progress report to be designed however you'd like to have it for each building. You can create one template at the district level and use it in all of your buildings, or you can create templates within each building as well. The next update is an option to run SBRC templates. If we navigate to Reports, Grade Reporting, and Standard-Based Reports, you're going to see a new report type dropdown that's going to include options for report card, which will run your SBRCs as you have always run them, or an option for template only. If you're selecting template only, this is going to create a report that does not have student information on it as far as grades go, so you can create a blank report and just see the template layout when you're testing this out. This option is also helpful if you have students that are enrolled in courses that are associated to different main templates and they may have more than one report generated for them. You can run this template only and see how that layout is going to work out for those students with multiple reports generated without having to go in and manipulate any grades to create this blank report. The next new update is for New York State specifically. This is the addition of behavior intervention plans. We navigate to Student Profile and we select a student. When you navigate to the Discipline tab, any users that have the ability to add an action are also going to have this new option to add an intervention. When creating an intervention, you're going to have the response type. These are going to actually be used to flow into the New York State report for any of these restraint details. You'll be able to find those underneath Report, Export, and under the New Run down at the bottom, you're going to see the new option for the Student Restraint Event Fact Report. That is going to pull the details that you just entered in for those behavior intervention plans. The next update is for online registration translations. If we navigate to System Registration and Online Registration Forms, if we go into the translation options, you're going to see additional fields in here for all of the subfields. Previously, while you were able to enter translations for all of your main data elements, the subfields that are included in dropdowns were not something that you were able to translate. So a guardian may be filling out the registration form and have most of it translated, but some fields were still displaying in English. With this release, all those subfields are now going to be available as well so that you can really translate the entire form for the parents and guardians that are filling these out. The next two updates are for summer school, this first one being summer school lunches. If we navigate to District Cafeteria and Update Lunch Menu, you're going to see a new year dropdown. This year dropdown is going to allow you to select either the current or the future year so that if you are running a summer school, you're able to set up a lunch menu for your summer school buildings. The next update for summer school is in relation to attendance reporting. If we navigate to student attendance and attendance status by date, previously this report was only pulling in student details for the current school year, and since summer school runs in the future school year, you were not able to use this report accurately for any summer school sessions. Now we've provided a scheduling year dropdown so that again you can go in and you can run this report for your future year for summer school so that this report is accessible in those buildings. And the final two updates are within Guru. If we navigate to Guru and we head over to the marketplace, when we go to Zaps and we select Install Zap, there's going to be a new Zap in the marketplace for the Library Corporation. If we navigate to Configuration and Vendors and either select Edit for an existing vendor or create a new vendor, when we look at the different endpoint permissions, we scroll down to the bulk options. We have a new permission for updating student daily attendance in bulk. We previously had the ability to update period attendance in bulk, but daily records had to be sent individually. With this release, you'll have the ability to send those in bulk as well. This completes the highlights for version 11.9. Please visit the Release Notes tab within the Help site for more information.